I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. We're not outside today, even though it's bright and beautiful looking outside. It's cold. It's like in the 40s. We don't do cold very well, so we're inside. I am actually really tired because I have not slept yet. It's almost 12 o'clock, and I have to be at work at 7. That's how tired I am. But today we're doing my IPSY unboxing. Yay! This is a big box. I'm gonna be honest. I've been looking for a different package. This finally came, and this is a big box. Like it's heavy. And I haven't gotten a box in a while. Like I think the first one I got was a box, and then I've gotten like, the little bubble bags since then. So I'm super excited to see what's going on in this one. Okay. Ooh, wow. Okay. Oh, did I order something extra? Maybe I did. It's the holiday season. I think I ordered gifts. I'm not sure exactly. We're going to find out though. Wow. Oh, this bag is so soft. Okay, first thing is Fancy Face Nourishing Oil Cleanser. Ooh, I think I did add-ons to this box because this sounds familiar. It's so long between when you order and when it comes. I just forget because, I sleep in the meantime. Oh, I did order this as a gift. So I'm not, oh, no, I'm going to keep this. Did I order this as I don't know. I'm keeping it though. I think this is oh, what? It comes with a little cloth to wipe it off with. Oh, that is oh no, this is a great gift. I'm going to give this away. We've included a lovely muslin cloth to get you on your oil cleansing way. Nice. Aww. Bonish posh cloth. Oh, cute. Yeah, this was a gift, I think, because I have a little holiday party coming up and we're exchanging gifts. So, yeah. Okay, next is the 8H Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer from Morphe. Oh, okay. So if you don't know, well, you probably don't know, but I just went home for Thanksgiving for the first time in 18 years. Don't judge me. It's been a minute. And when I got back, not only was my face roller broken when I got back, it was broken more, even though it was in my case, in my suitcase, whatever. My favorite blush in my Morphe Trio was also broken. And that was the softest one because it was glitter, and those are the shimmer. So those are a little bit softer than the other two, which the other two are still really pretty. And I tried to salvage it, but I couldn't. So anyway, so the fact that I know I ordered this as a gift. I really hope I can still give it away. I'm not going to open it and want it. From Morphe. I need to go visit their store. Oh! Give it away. Give it away. You got it as a gift. You got it as a gift. Oh my God. Look how pretty those are. You can't even really see them. I'm trying not to touch them because I did actually get this as a gift. Oh my gosh, this was such a mistake. I'm so glad I opened this though because the party is in 2 days. Okay, let me try and block the mirror without messing up the palette. But look how pretty that is. Look at that gold. Oh my gosh. Oh, my feelings are so hurt right now. The colors are Donut, Debutante, Beam, and Mirage on the top, and bottom is Blogger, Fabulous, Big Bang, and Venus. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. Damn it. 8 shades for a glam glow. Drama meets definition. 4 matte contouring shades, and 4 high impact highlighter shades for tan to deep skin. I don't do contour. I don't do that much makeup. You're lucky to get blush out of me because I wear a mask every day to work. So yeah, this is an awesome gift. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm sure it was worth it because those are gorgeous. Oh my God, I can't believe. Oh my, this is a gift. Some of the stuff I decided to give away, I might have to keep. I'm just saying. Okay, now we're gonna get to my IPSY bag. Oh my gosh, those are good gifts. Home for the holidays. It's where the heart and fun is. I'm only 5 minutes. Okay. Rock those festive playlists. Don a red lip. Indulge in what you love and with who you love. It's what the holidays are all about. I don't know why I'm suddenly illiterate, but anyway. In the bag. The bag is like this plush terry cloth. It is so soft. So soft. Oh, another palette. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yes. This is the Shina B, Miami eyeshadow palette. Oh, okay. I have gotten 2 eyeshadow palettes from them, and I like them both, and I use them both. Not complaining. I'm just saying this might be a gift as well, like a grab bag gift or something. Oh, these are pretty. Maybe not. I might keep these. Okay. Is this stuck on here? Oh, it is. Okay, we're just going to peel off one side. Hall Over Nude, Ported Princess, Everglade, Heat, Biscayne, Wynwood, South Peach, and Cafecito. That's cute. Those are cute names. The top row is prettier than the bottom row for me. I'm just going to show you the colors really quickly. Ooh, so bright. I really wish I was doing this outside. I really do. Sorry. I'm trying to not mess up the colors, but also show you the colors in this indoor light. See, the top shades are all shimmery and the bottom are all matte. The 2 palettes that I have are both, that I've gotten through IPSY are both kind of on the neutral brown side. So this is actually a good palette to give away as well. Because I'm probably not going to use that. So does that mean I can keep the Morphe one? I'm just saying. Okay, next in the bag. Ooh, what does this say? Fireside. IPSY exclusive Fireside. Oh, this is really pretty. Is this also an eyeshadow palette? Oh, this one, I'm looking at the colors in the back. I'm feeling like I'm really going to keep this. Inspired by you. What does that mean? Oh, IBY. Okay. IBY Beauty. Inspired by you. Okay. Just bear with me. I've been awake for a long time. It's inspired by childproofing because I can't get it open. It's a plastic. It's a paper box. Why is it that hard? Why is it so tight? This is really pretty packaging though. Oh, these are cute. Okay. They're small. Okay. I should probably leave my flashlight on. Oh, you see my bear stuff in the background? Yeah, you weren't supposed to see that. But I proudly represent. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay, there we go. Those are pretty colors. Actually, looking at the colors in the light, I probably won't keep these. They're really pretty though. They are really pretty. Hoodie, Cozy Up, and Black Ice on the bottom. Evergreen, S'mores, and Nippy. Below Zero, Snow Bunny, and Hot Cocoa. They're really pretty, but not so unique to me, especially considering all the eyeshadow palettes I have. I should give everything away, but I'm not going to. Okay, this is pretty. This is also a cute little gift. I think I might have like a grab bag or something. Or I'm trying to figure out who else I can give these to besides the people that are coming to my party. Okay. Next in the bag. Verified 2020 phytoglycogen and peptides eye cream. Oh, this is got to be full size. This is what I like about IPSY Plus. IPSY Glam Bag Plus is you get some full size products. This is half an ounce, and an eye cream. Half an ounce is a full size because it's an eye cream. You don't use as much as you do with the face. Wow, this is pretty. This is glass, and it's a pump. Love. Love, love, love. Because my current eye cream is Sephora brand, and I have to use a Q-tip because it's a cream in a bowl, which I don't mind as long as it works. But this is a pump, and this is much more sanitary. So I'm all about that. Keeping that. Okay, I'm just really thirsty. Hold on. This is from squeeze.com. This is my number 5 juice, which is dandelion, watermelon, spinach, lemon, and apple. They're actually not bad juices, to be honest. They're really good for you, I guess. Low calorie. Okay, last thing in the bag of this super soft bag with a waterproof lining, or, you know, water resistant lining. Ooh! Oh, I'm keeping this. Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. This is a nice size. Oh my gosh. Yes. Helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. This is 2 ounces. Wowzer. So excited. Sealed. Yes. Okay, so these 2 for sure I'm keeping. Probably going to keep this face oil too. Not going to lie. Am I even looking at the camera or am I looking at the light? I'm looking at the light, but I think the camera's over there. I'm so tired. Okay. Keep or giveaway. Keep or giveaway. I'm pretty sure I bought this for someone else. I'm going to keep it. This is definitely giving away because I'm not going to use these colors. As pretty as this packaging is, I'm not going to use this either. So these are all giveaways. So technically, it's okay if I keep this because it's an even swap. 3 for 3. It's an even Steven. You know, I think that's fair. I completely, did I leave something out of the bow? I don't know. But anyway, that's my IPSY unboxing. I have to turn this flashlight off just 1 sec. Thank you. What was in here? Was it this? Oh, it was this, right? Okay. So that's my IPSY unboxing for December. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's got to be December because December is almost over. Okay. Yay, Morphe. I'm all about it. Thank you so much. IPSY, this was great. You guys always come through. What I would have loved is more brushes, even though I don't need any. I don't need any at all. I'm still looking at the wrong thing. I'm attracted to the blue light. I'm drawn to the blue light like a moth to the flame. I'm so tired. I need to go to bed. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. It has been a lot of fun. I hope I made you laugh. I'm going to try this face oil maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll wear makeup tomorrow. I've been wearing it to work, and I really am feeling like I'm not going to be doing that tonight. So maybe I'll try it tomorrow after I go Christmas shopping tomorrow. And I'm going to look at this Morphe palette one more time just to make sure that I still want to give it away. Because I may change my mind. And I think that would be completely fair. I'm just saying. Okay. I really don't know where I'm supposed to be looking. Am I supposed to be looking here? Or is the camera over here? Yep. That's the camera. And I have not been looking at you the whole time. So sorry. Yeah, I'm not refilming this. Sorry. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. I hope you're able to spend time with people that you love and spend time remembering the people that you have loved and who are loving you from afar. Peace.